Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll show you how you can make a face blur video in CapCut using mobile. This is an easiest and simple way. Okay, let's start. Select effect, video effect, go to lens and select blur. Okay. Now adjust this effect with whole video. Delete CapCut logo. Okay. Now select video and copy it. Select overlay. Move it starting point. Select second video and go to mask. Here you select circle mask. Now select invert and resize this mask. Now where this person move his face, here you adjust this mask. Okay. Here you add a keyframe and select mask, then adjust mask. In this way, you adjust this mask with moving person every time. Okay friends. Now see the full video. Please friends, subscribe my channel. I am a small content creator. Please support me. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.